Today we're going to be making a 3D model in Siemens NX. In the upper right hand corner you can see the technical drawing of the model. And let's get started. Let's press new. We're going to choose a model, we're going to give it a name and folder where we want it to be saved. We can start sketching. We choose the plane on which the sketch is going to be performed. For example, right plane. And we're going to start with a rectangle and another two on the sides. As you can see at the bottom we have 100 millimeters. We can trim the sides, as you can see. So we're gonna use trim and just go across like that. Now we're gonna add some other dimensions. For example, we're gonna start from the left. We have 20 here. We got 50 here. I'm gonna drag it up. We're gonna make these two equal. We're gonna drag it across like that. And here's 22. And we are done with the dimensions on the left. We have a opening in the middle of the figure, so we're gonna create another rectangle. Some bug I couldn't drag it. Alright, and the height of the rectangle is 35, so we're gonna press on this line and this line, and luckily it's exactly 35. Okay, we're gonna add this dimension. Here we can see it's 20 on the drawing, so we're gonna apply that. So, and the rectangle from the side is 15 millimeters. And the width of the rectangle is 40 of the opening. We need some more dimensions. There is 40, there's 15, there's 15 too. So we have 30, 70, so there's 15 here, 15 here. We're gonna add a dimension just to make it easier on ourselves to not make some more mates. 15 here, and then we can make this one equal. And now our sketch is fully defined. So now the only thing left is to extrude it, and on the drawing we can see it's 55 deep, so we press the extrude operation and we choose distance as 55 millimeters, and we quick apply, and it's extruded. So we can press Ctrl W, hide our sketches, hide our coordinate systems. The model is finished.